In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a WordPress theme from cPanel step by step. Downloading a WordPress theme from cPanel is a very simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to locate your themes, download them, and keep a copy saved on your computer. Let's get started. I'm already on the cPanel page. From here, scroll down to the Files section and click on File Manager. On the left-hand side, you'll see different folders. Click on the Public HTML folder. This is where your WordPress website files are stored. Inside Public HTML, click on the WP-Content folder. From here, you'll see several different folders, including plugins, uploads, and themes. Go ahead and click on the Themes folder. Now, in this folder, you'll see all the WordPress themes that are currently uploaded to your site. For example, you might see the default themes like 2021 or 2023 and any other themes you've added yourself. Each theme is stored in its own folder with all the necessary files inside it. To download a theme, simply click on the theme folder you want. For this tutorial, I'll choose the Neve theme. Right-click on the Neve folder, then click Compress. A pop-up will appear asking which compression type you want to use. Leave it on Zip Archive, then click Compress Files. Once the compression is complete, you'll see a new zip file created inside your Themes folder. Now that the theme has been compressed into a single file, it's ready to be downloaded. Click once on the theme zip file to select it, then go to the top menu and click Download. Your browser will immediately begin downloading the zip file to your computer. Once it's finished, you'll have a complete backup copy of your WordPress theme saved locally. If you no longer need the zip file stored in cPanel, you can delete it to save space. Just click on the theme zip file, then click Delete at the top and confirm. Don't worry, deleting the zip file does not remove your theme from WordPress. It only deletes the extra compressed copy you just created. The theme itself will remain installed and active on your site. That's it. You've now successfully downloaded a WordPress theme directly from cPanel.